Well, it's New Year's 2019. Well, Happy New Year's, and look what I got up to. I'm photoing it through the window because it's very icy out there, cloudy. Look at the poor trees we put up for Christmas. They're all slung over. Look at that. And I'm going to bring you down here, and you're going to see lots of ice. We got some ice this morning and last night. We've been having a lot of ice storms. Ray, you just came in. What's the weather out there?
I don't know. Warm.
Warm?
Great snow for making snowmen.
Yep, and it looks like it's misting rain.
I don't know about that.
It looks like it's doing something. I can see it. Whoa, Mr. Crane just hit the backside of me and I almost went through the door. Okay, folks, I just wanted to say Happy New Year, and this is what we woke up to. You never know, in Maine, the trees are beautiful. See if I can get them a little closer. Snow's just clinging to them. It looks just like a postcard out there. Okay, well, everybody have a great day, and we'll catch you tomorrow. And you never know what's going to be on my videos. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and I lost my thought.
Facebook, Instagram, I don't know.
And I'm listening to what Ray's having to say. So you never know what's going to be on my videos. Have a great day. God bless.